we're doing actually. I mean, you can ask the guys. We're having a fantastic time in there. Anyway, it's up to you. It's for your own. If you feel that would be beneficial to you, you're welcome to come. Anyway, so we did all the yen pairs. Okay, let's look at the dollar yen. We might as well, since we are doing the yen pairs. We still, as again, the yen is strong. We want to buy the. We want to be selling the, buying the yen across the board. This was, like I was telling you the last week. This is the, let's say the W that we're looking for. As you can see on the dollar yen, it is 78.27, and I want you to keep an eye on this chart, the dollar yen. You can see that it broke the structure at 78.20, and it has traveled all the way down to 78.12. It moved the grand total of 8 pips below the structure, while in the euro yen it traveled quite a distance from 121 all the way down to from 102.21 to 104. It moved about 80 pips. In the pound yen, look at this, it moved quite a decent move. And in the Aussie yen, but with the dollar, it is still sitting because the dollar is still strong. So we have a buy signal on the dollar and we have a buy signal on the yen. So we need to be a little bit careful about it. And therefore, our buying of the dollar yen will be only above the 78.20. So if it goes above the structure point, we're 8 pips away from the structure point. That is the structure point, 78.20. So we'll buy it only above 78.20. So our structure long point is 78.20. That is going to be our long point. And of course it will be our stop. On the short side, I mean, as long as we're below 78, we trade what we see. We don't think, and again, we just follow the rules. But in the hierarchy, I can go long any yen pair. The last pair of the yens that I would be looking to actually jump on to would be the dollar yen. Well, in this case, it closed at 78.12. The low of the day is 78.01. So it's only the low of the day is 10 pips away. So I'm going to go short below 78.01, which is 10 pips away. I mean, I'm not leaving much of the table on the table. And if I do, my next structure point is the 77.65. Right? And my stop, I mean, there is no, I mean, if I go short over here, I can only give it 20 pips. If it sneezes, it will move 20 pips. So my stop is going to be the 78.20. I'm going to go short at 78. So my stop is going to be 78.20, which is the structure point. So the 78.20 will be the stop, whether for the long or the short in the dollar yen. Okay? That is the dollar yen up here. So let me save it.